how do you protect your home of these events. If you have brush leaning up against the house or the tree overhangs the house, those are some of the concerns that have been cited from the insurance company. Those are things that you can maybe address until you hit the municipality zoning or something that's going to give you the roadblock.
Yeah.
Then you have to be proactive about it. You absolutely want to reach out.
So my dad told me that he got one of those letters, from his insurance company that they're going to drop you, whatever. And he just went and got insurance with somebody else because there's so many insurance companies. Is that typically the case?
Yeah.
Or is that tree going to prohibit that lady from having insurance across the board?
Yeah, so that's the discussion. As some of these systems become maybe interchangeable, that they have information from one to the other, shared information base, then it may be, as one company gets away with doing this, like, I'm not going to cover anything above a $3 million threshold so we can limit our risk. Well, if another company decides that, this is where your DOJ should come into play and say, what are your insurance companies actually doing? Let's put these guys to work in a way that actually benefits the consumer. Because if one insurance company does it and then all follow suit, now the consumer is put at a negative hold. And I think that's where we would expect government interaction to say, this isn't allowed. You can't do this. If you're receiving the premiums, then you have to prove the benefit, right?
Yeah. And we know insurance companies have lobbyists in DC.
Yes.
So
And-
is there lobbyists from realtors or?
Yeah, we are very, very proactive in lobbying for the rights of property owners and for some of this legislation that comes out and works against home ownership rights. The ability to be able to do with the home what you are wanting to do, within reason, of course.